So I made this little plugin which allows you to have animations with independent number of frames, because in my case usually walking horizontally has more detailed animations with more number of frames than walking vertically. So like here in this example, walking up and down has 4 frames of animation, and left and right has 6. Idles are single frame. So this allows you to just create those animations completely independently of each other, and this is achieved by using a JSON file. If you are not familiar with it, don't worry, it's not that hard. I will walk you through right now on how it's being used. So I use this software, it's called LibreSprite. You can also use Aseprite. This is just a free version of it. So you basically like have your sprites like in here, and if you name them like this in incrementing order, it will like automatically just, it will say, okay, this is a sequence, so it will just put it in its order like this, and then you can go here and export it as sprite sheet. This will both give you the PNG and the JSON file. This is the file that says okay, this frame is in this location, this frame is this location. Like you will get those 2 files, and here this PNG file, basically all them side by side, as you can see, all the frames we have, and then this JSON file. This basically says, okay, this first frame located here is idle down 0, and the next one located here. This is generated automatically by the software, but these names here, idle down 0, walk down 0, these will just have your file names, and you need to edit just these names manually. So basically you will look at your sprite sheet, and in its order, okay, this is an idle animation for facing down, and it's the first frame of it. The first index is 0. Like say if you had 2 frames for idle animation, the next one here would be idle down 1, like so. For my case, I have a single frame for the idle. So then I go to walk down 0, 1, 2, 3. These 4 frames are for walking downwards, and then I go to idle left, and then walking left, which has 3, 4, 5. So it has 6 frames, and then idle up. This basically just just you need to rename these parts to the order of your sprite sheet accordingly, and the formatting needs to be like this. So camel case, it starts with lowercase. This is the action, idle, walk or run, and then the direction starting uppercase, up, down, left or right, and then the index starting with 0. You name it as such, and also using the plugin, here you can set the animation speed for each 12 animations. So idle, walk and run in 4 directions, which gives you 12 animations in total. You can set their speed completely independently too. And then there is this speed threshold. This is used for to determine when it will be displaying the run animation instead of walking. So in my case, in this game, I'm using the speed value of 5 by default. It normally counts 4 as the normal speed. So like here you see 4 is normal, 5 is 2 times faster. So normally it counts 5 as running, and it would display the running animation, which does not exist in this sprite sheet, by the way. But so I can just get in here in the plugin manager, and just I can set the run speed threshold to 6. So then it would count speed 5 as walking. So yeah, that's basically it. I will be using this plugin while developing this little indie game, so I will be using it a lot, so I will probably make some updates to it, but that's basically it. I hope somebody finds it useful. Cheers, bye.